Hi everyone, Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and today I'm very nervous because I'm going to eat one of the 5 hottest things in the universe. What are the 5 hottest things? The first one is the surface of the sun. The second one is lava from a hot volcano. The third one is the center of a huge fire, forest fire, building fire. The fourth one is my wife, Raluca. She's inside. And the fifth one is this plant right here. It is the dragon's breath. Now, how hot is the dragon's breath? How hot is this dragon's breath right here? Well, I probably shouldn't have touched it right and then touched my eye. The hottest pepper, according to Guinness Book Records, is the Carolina Reaper. And the Carolina Reaper, on the Scoville scale, they have a scale called the Scoville scale, is about maybe 1.8 million. And it can go up. The hottest ones might go up a little over 2 million. Okay, so that's pretty hot. This guy is about, I'd say, about 500 times hotter than a jalapeno. A jalapeno is 4,000. Think of that, 4,000, not in the millions. 4,000 Scovilles. This guy here is 500 times hotter than that. This one actually goes over 2 million Scovilles. Right now it's recorded at about 480,000, so 2,480,000, so almost 2.5 million Scovilles. Okay, tear gas is about 1.8 million. Military grade tear gas is only about 2.2 million Scovilles. So this 2.48, okay? Now, don't try this at home. As I've been studying and reading these, I've never had one. They say that it can even cause anaphylactic shock. My wife wouldn't let me try it, so that's why I'm doing it outside. She's inside. If she comes out screaming, she doesn't want me to try it. I don't blame her. I'm scared too, but this is my first one, and I do want to try it, and I'm doing it just for you. So you're going to get to experience whether it's bad, whether it's not. I've been building up eating Moruga scorpions and chocolate scorpions and reapers and all these different hot peppers, getting ready for this. For some reason, it was really late in the season. Look at that, there's an ant going towards it. He looks like he's going to start running for his life. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. I brought a plate. I'm not going to eat the whole thing. And there's a reason why I won't eat the whole thing. Let's see, how do I give you the code as to the reason? Okay, I'm chicken, that's why. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pick it off. Ugh. Shouldn't even be doing this with my hands. Okay, there it is right there. Isn't that pretty? It looks a lot like a Reaper. This is actually a big one. Normally they're not too big. The ones I've seen on the videos or on the online are a lot smaller than this. But you can see I've got quite a few of them here. Here's one starting to turn red. They took a long time. Matter of fact, I didn't think I was going to get any, but they're just starting to come out now. But look at that stinger on there. Can you imagine that? See that stinger? So I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. Matter of fact, I'm going to eat the stinger. The stinger looks fun to me. Blemish over there, I don't know if that means it's let me cut it open first and show you what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh, boy, that's hot. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. And ooh, it smells kind of sweet. It has a fruity smell. My mouth is watering because it does smell really good. I'm going to cut it open a little bit more so you can see more of the inside. Oops. I wish I had gotten a sharp knife. What a time to have a dull knife. And you can see the seeds inside there. Isn't your mouth watering already? You want one. You want one. So let's go ahead and I got this. Ooh. I got the stinger right there. Look at that nice piece, huh? Here we go. initial taste, it is sweet. That's nice. Ooh, going down my throat now. Let's trying to bring this a little closer to the camera. Oops. Hiccups are starting. Okay. Whoa. I'm glad I didn't eat the whole thing. It's very hot. I still haven't even chewed it all. Oh my gosh. This is probably the hottest thing I've ever eaten. If you see me fall on the ground, call 911. I'll give you the number later. Don't call 7-Eleven. You just get a Slurpee. Like I said, this is a hot son of a gun. Finally swallowed it. Gonna wait a little while. I did a video where I ate a scorpion last week, and I acted like it was fine. And then I went in the house and I was suffering like crazy. Raluca followed me with the camera, but she's not here, so I gotta go through it on my own. I'm gonna get up. I need some air. Oh man. Well, this Raluca. I just had the dragon breath. Oh my gosh. Don't look. Oh my gosh.
I don't have ice cream, I have yogurt.
You didn't get ice cream. Oh God. Raluca says she didn't get ice cream. That's how I dealt with the scorpion last time. I know the scorpion hit like 5 minutes later. The back of my neck is really... Okay, just for those of you watching, this beverage is actually just lemonade in one of these bottles, so don't get all offended. Really, it's lemonade.
You want some yogurt?
No, I'm gonna get through it, Raluca, without yogurt. My nose is watering. I would like a paper towel or something. So, the dragon breath pepper. Wonderful taste. You're not going to want to make it into a popper or put it on a shish kebab. Why do people grow these things? Oh, man. Excuse me again. Oh, look, it's got the paper towels here. The sun is out strong, so on a walk like this, I know you're seeing a lot of shadows. Wow. Hi, Raluca.
Hi.
Would you like some nice pepper?
No.
It's good for you.
No, it's not good for me. My effects after are bad.
I think
sneeze.
if you even smell this. Oh.
I sneeze and cough like you wouldn't believe it. It's not good for me.
Oh man. Okay, remember this is hotter than tear gas. Okay. Yep, that's all I'm gonna have. I just broke one of my trays from my plant. Oh my gosh.
Eat there making dinner, okay?
And there's my plants. Okay, these here are some of my scorpions. And oh, there's a chocolate scorpion right there. Those are very hot. Whew. I wish I hadn't swallowed that. And there's some more scorpions there. And these are, actually they're supposed to be, what are they? Purple boots. I don't know why they turn orange if they're purple boots. Whew. Showing you these as I'm seeing how much I'm going to suffer. And I got all kinds of different ones over here, going all the way up to my tomatoes over there. So, dragon breath. I was really nervous about trying them initially. There we go on the swing. Woohoo! I was nervous about trying them. It's honestly, it's bad, but it's not as bad as I expected it to be. When they say it can cause anaphylactic shock, I know I've been eating a lot of peppers building up to this. Oh boy. I think I'm going to be suffering this afternoon and tomorrow. And look at my peppers as I try some more of my Kool-Aid. Half of it going. Whew, hot stuff. They say tomorrow everything will be better, right? Tomorrow. So, I don't know how long I should keep the camera going. I don't think I'm going to suffer anymore. It's actually going down my throat. I can feel the burning right here now, right in Snoopy's nose. Burning is going down here and basically just the back of my tongue. The roof of my mouth and the back of my tongue are on fire. My eyes are beginning to water. And my nose is starting to run. And think of it, that's the exact symptoms or results of tear gas. When you get gassed, your eyes start to run, your nose runs, you're gasping for air, it burns, you start to water, like you saw me get rid of liquids a few times, you vomit, and I'm familiar with that because I was in the military and a policeman many years ago, and I've been gassed throughout my life approximately 10 times. In the military I was a drill sergeant, so we did that with trainees, but you can't throw it at trainees without getting it yourself. Whew. I want to scrape the hot off my tongue. This is hot stuff. You know, I said I was going to go away, and because it's starting to go away, and you don't need to see me recover, but it's not going away. See, I'm about probably 10 minutes into it. This video is 13 minutes long now. So, I did it right at the beginning. So, 10 minutes. It's even hotter when I first started. And I only had a little piece, folks. Can you imagine if I ate the whole thing? And remember, why didn't I? Well, I have common sense and you get the idea. I'm chicken as it comes. Gotta watch the ticker, you know. Oops, the ticker. It's on one of those sides. I probably have two. So, that is the hottest thing, the 5th hottest thing. Now, I grew these this year. I was able to get seeds for the first time. They do say that there's a hot pepper called Pepper X that's even hotter than this. But I've never seen one. I'm starting to wonder if it's a hoax. I haven't found one place you could buy seeds, and I haven't seen one person that actually has a Pepper X to show me. I've only seen one place online that sells Pepper X hot sauce. So, does it exist? I don't know. I'm seeing as much about the Pepper X as I do Bigfoot, Sasquatch, or the Loch Ness Monster. So it might just be a hoax until we actually see it. So, in my mind, since I've seen these, I've grown them, and I just tried one, and I showed it to you. They're right here. It's not a hoax. See those little things there? These are still green. Got plenty of them coming. So, dragon breath is real. It's not quite as hot as the sun, but you got to try them. It'll make you happy. So, I'm feeling better. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I mean, I don't do this self-pain for nothing, so I do it for thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe it, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.